Okay, so this is the Unicomp Mini M, which is kind of like a recreation of a really vintage keyboard called the IBM Model M. And while there's a few reviews out there, there's little to no information on like whether it's good for rhythm games or not, which I mean by the way, it isn't. So I thought it might be interesting to show perhaps what this keyboard would sound like when using it in this way. It sounds really, really bad. Like it sounds horrible. And now that I've dealt with it, now I have to share it with you guys up there. So let's see. Let's find a chart that I hate. Sure, fine. Have fun. Have fun suffering, guys. So, actually, that wasn't a bad score. But yeah, I hope you guys suffered as much as I did. Bye.